スタジオレインフォールアンドレクラスの皆さん、まずはチームの紹介をお願いします。
今回踊らせていただくのはヒップホップ入門クラスアフタースクールダンスクラブです。学校をテーマにしたパフォーマンスをお楽しみください。
それではメンバーをご紹介します。葵9 years old、 思い出はレゲエシンガープシンさんと同じステージに立てたこと、テーマパークダンサーになりたい葵のダンスをチェックアウト。ウルハ7 years old、 好きなジャンルはヒップホップ、得意な振り付けはランニングマン、将来は助産師になりたいウルハのダンスをドンミセット。京太9 years old、 好きなダンサーはアンドレ先生、最近ハマっていることはブランコ、クールな京太のソロパートにも大注目です。ジュタ8 years old、 得意な振り付けはイーグル、大好物はキュウリの漬物、将来は立派な料理人になりたいジュタのダンスをチェックアウト。ケイト8 years old、 好きなダンサーは BE:FIRST ソータ、マイブームはマイクラ、体全体で大きく踊るケイトのダンスをお見逃しなく。ひなた8 years old、 ライブ番組を見てダンスを始めました。愛読書は野球のルールブック、野球好きなひなたのダンスをドンミセット。サラ12 years old、 好きなアーティストは花、趣味はレジンとテナーサックス演奏、将来は踊れる保育士になりたいサラのダンスに大注目です。たける7 years old、 趣味は科学実験、将来の夢は研究員か総理大臣、測定も得意なたけるのダンスをチェックアウト。スナオ10 years old、 特技は食レポと鳥のシマエナガを描くこと、ピアノやエレクトーンも得意なスナオのダンスから目が離せません。つむぎ6 years old、 イントロをしているお父さんとお母さんの影響でダンスを始めました。とってもキュートなつむぎの笑顔をドン見せ。それではダンススタジオレインフォールアフタースクールダンスクラブのフルアーツショーケース。
I cannot understand why the parents and the teachers and everybody trying to bring to the kids, the young generation. Yo, what's the deal, bro, Charlie Brown? What's the deal, Charlie?
I don't know what the deal is. You have to ask my partner, Dingo D.
Yo, tell us, D. Tell us, D.
Confusion, G.
Oh, word, what's up? Hey, oh, man. It's just another case of that OPTA. Oh, man.
The school I wrote notes to quote some Shakespeare and other types of rhymes to show you that I care. For things like together forever till you're my only one.
Only
it
one.
was special, I could say it was a loving one. You would say someone's knocking at my window.
Knock, knock.
Someone's ringing my bell.
Ding dong.
It's about 2 in the morning.
Hey, yo, G, what the hell's going on? It's just another case of that OPTA.
Toss it up in the sky. My altitude is high, so my name's Ziggy. My tribe, so please don't make a move. Dukes, cause you're gonna lose. It's one for fun, son, no need to start a bruise. We're here to teach a little and entertain ya. Cause all work and no play is nothing but a strain on the body and the brain cell. That's why we're coming from the heart, can't you tell? See, I must love my work, but it to work for me like I love my Ziggy, my singing. Cause my name and you know I'm tall. I'll step back so sound can toss it up, y'all.
Yo, I said now check it out, we getting severe, not messing around. What's the name of the crew? The Jigabasi, yo, yes I'm sound. And I'm from Harlem, uptown's kicking it. With the fucking blowing that bass, they're just so wicked and dope. We ain't no joker, we one of the best, I'm rocking on this side of the East Coast. Strictly talent is what we come and tell you with. Sharp quality, no need to fix. So listen very carefully, kick it around for you and me. Ho, so just for love, shake and trouble and please dance, dance, troop of Villa, what's up? Is it enough, my people catching up? My mother does I toss it up. Yeah, I toss it up. 1, 2, I toss it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I toss it up. Yeah, I toss it up. I see you wanna toss it up. Go.
My heart and soul's for you, and you should know I'll do anything you want me to. Come on, move your body round me. Come on and get on down. It's the summer of love. Move your body round me. Get up and spread the sound. It's the summer of love. Sending out a survival. school. Telling on yourself, girl, I know you need some help, yeah. Tell me that them boys don't really know you without telling me.